everyone, it's Joset van de Burgt here at the Elizabeth Craft Designs studio. In this video I will be showing you how to assemble the monkey die set. So this is the die set here. It comes with all the different pieces. It also comes with a little banana. And this is the finished product. So you can actually make two different kind of monkeys, a hanging monkey or a sitting monkey. And I will show you how to assemble it. So I cut already all the pieces, and some of the pieces I already colored as well, just to have it ready. I used distress ink, and I cut all the pieces from white soft finish cardstock. And for the monkey itself I used a vintage photo, and for some of the lighter pieces like his face and the ears I used tea dye. So first I'll show you how to color that. You just do circular motion. Oh, and I'm just gonna move that over. So just circular motions and then color that in. You can do a little bit shading too if you want some spots darker. And there's a face coming on top of this piece, so we don't have to color it all the way. Then these are the pieces for the feet of the monkey. And then I already colored the belly, the tail, the pieces from the arm, and this one I actually cut with adhesive on the back so it's easier to assemble. I cut the little face piece and I colored that with distress ink, and then with a really fine marker, black marker, I colored his mouth, and then there's a little embossing for his nose and his eyes. I colored the lighter, or I cut the lighter pieces and colored those already for the feet, and for those I put distress ink, or sorry, adhesive on the back as well, and then his hands. And these are the pieces for the inside of the ears and the eyes. And the eyes I colored with a black Copic marker or any kind of black marker that you have. There's also this tiny bit that's for his belly. I'm actually going to show you how we do it with the hanging monkey, so you don't need that piece now. So these ones go on top of here, his feet. My little tweezer. And then the arms, they stuck on the hand. Oh. And I'm going to add the eyes to the face here. They're quite tiny. You can also mark them with a little black marker if you prefer that. I just use the little eye dies that come with it. And then the little pieces of the ear, I colored those already. And then I use a little bit of adhesive for the face. Okay, now I can assemble. So the flying monkey. So I use a little bit of Kids' Choice glue. And so the face we just glue over the belly. So if we would do the sitting monkey, the belly would be turned upside down. Then we do the feet, a little bit of that just needs to dry like that. And then a little bit of glue on his tail. And then, oh, I just need to stick this on the card, then it will all stay together. And there you go. There's your hanging monkey, and it's really fun to let him hang on like some leaves. One of the new leaves die sets. And here I have some samples as well. Dream big. For this card I used the party accessories. They're really fun, like the little hat and the bow, and that die set comes with a whole bunch of other party accessories. I think this is really fun. This one, Go Wild, that's the new Safari sentiments, and I used like the leaves here and the Safari accessories in this case. It's Your Birthday, Go Bananas, a hanging monkey, and another birthday card here with some of the party accessories. It's Your Birthday, Go Bananas as well. So thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy. Don't forget to download the free product sheets and check out the other videos from the other animal die sets. Thank you so much. See you next time.